In LabArchives Scheduler, groups are used to assign access or grant admin rights to multiple individuals at once. You can create a group, add members to that group, then assign permissions. This is how you can set permissions to multiple users at once, which saves you time from having to do it one by one. If you want to give other individuals administrative privileges, you can create an admin group, give that group administrative privileges, and then add colleagues to that group. Groups can have roles like application admin, group admin, resource admin, and schedule admin. An example of when it would be beneficial to create a group is if you have specialized equipment that only a handful of individuals can access. You can create a group to give access to only that small handful of users. To create a group, click Application Management, then select Groups. You can provide a name for the group in this field and select whether new users should automatically be added to this group. Then click Add. Once your group is created, it will appear below. Under the Actions column of this table, you can change the group name via the pencil icon or delete the group via the red trash can icon. To add group members to your group, click Manage under the Group Members column. In the window that appears, you can see the current members already in the group, if there are any, and you can find specific users and add them to the group quickly by typing out their name or email address. You can also browse through all users in your organization and add them to the group by clicking Browse. To grant all members of a group access to one or more specific users, click Change under the Permissions column. For each resource, you can specify that group's access as None, which means they will not see the resource at all, Full Access, which means they will have the ability to reserve, or View Only, which means they can view the resource but cannot reserve. You can also click one of the blue links at the top of the permissions window to quickly assign the same permissions for every resource. You can grant administrative privileges to members in a group by granting one or more roles to that group. To do this, click Change under the Group Roles column. Members who are group admins will have the ability to add users and groups, browse through the group-wide reservations, generate reports, and send announcements. The application admin role has full administrative privileges. They can add and configure users, groups, resources, and schedules. App admins also can send announcements, set up blackout times, and access the application configuration screen. Resource admins can create and configure resources, browse through the reservations for specific resources, generate reports, and send announcements. Schedule admins can create and configure schedules, browse through reservations on specific schedules, generate reports, and create blackout times and send announcements. For more information on the responsibilities and access that each admin has, or about LabArchives Scheduler in general, please check out our knowledge base by clicking the Help icon and selecting Knowledge Base. And of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@labarchives.com. To subscribe to our videos, click the LabArchives logo on the left. For additional training videos, click on the link to the right.